what are the best articles that you can use to learn web development? What are the best YouTube videos and YouTube channels that you can follow to learn about the fundamentals of front end and back end and JavaScript and HTML and CSS? Well, what are the best podcast episodes to listen to if you want to learn about the industry and web development in general? And a lot more in this episode of Becoming a Full Stack Developer. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ishan Sharma, and in today's episode I'll be sharing with you the best tools and resources that you can use to learn about web development and the complete HTML, CSS, front end, back end, JavaScript, and every single thing in web development. Right? I'll be sharing with you some articles, some websites, some YouTube channels, as well as some podcast episodes. All of these sources are free, first of all, which means that you can learn web development for free. I think this is actually really important because a lot of people think that they have to pay money for learning about these things, which is so not true, right? You can actually learn web development for pretty much free, right now, due to the internet and the geo and all that, the boom that has happened in India. Right, so yeah, let's get into the video. Now I realize that I don't have a good enough grasp of HTML and CSS because I haven't practiced them in a while, and so I thought that I would actually pick up a website which would help me out with the IDs and the understanding about the tags and what attributes it has and all of that stuff. And so there is one website that I think is really amazing, and it is called as Mozilla Web Docs. Again, a link to that is in the description. Go check it out. It has some pretty well laid out topics. It covers every single thing into HTML5 and also CSS and JavaScript as well. And the one thing that is really good about it is that it really gives you examples and live examples that you can change it up. It has a code. It has a live code editor that you can just try different stuff and how it affects the visual design of the website. So I think that is really good that you can try out. So I think this is actually a really good website that you can try. Give it a try. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section. Now there is one community of web developers that is really booming right now, and it has web developers that have just started out into web development and also people that are into it for years, right? So they actually share their knowledge by giving away articles where they talk about stuff that they experienced, and also tips and tricks and just project ideas for you to implement. And so I think that is actually a really great community that you can be a part of, and you can actually start writing articles into the website as well. It is called as dev.2o. You should definitely check it out. The link to that is in the description. Do check it out, sign up for it, and start reading the articles. It has a pretty good community, and you will love it, I would say. So yeah, let's move on to the second thing, and that is video and more specifically YouTube channels and YouTube playlists. Now for me, I think the one YouTube channel that really provides most value for free out there for web developers is going to be Traversy Media. Traversy Media is actually owned by Brad Traversy, who is a web developer himself. He's been into this field for almost like 10 years right now, and he has really created some companies for hosting websites and all that. And then he started off with his tutorials on Udemy and other places. And now he coaches for free and also has some courses on Udemy, obviously. But his courses on HTML and CSS and Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS and React and modern UI and all that stuff is actually really good. You should definitely try it out. He has a bunch of projects in there that you can implement, and I think that is the best part about his channel, is that he provides everything, and the projects look really good for a beginner. So I think you should definitely try that channel out. Yeah, do check that out. And by the way, if you're getting value from this video, make sure that you give a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Yeah, let's move on to the second YouTube channel that I think is really great, and that would be Free Code Camp. I mean, you guys might already know about this, but if you're living under a rock or something, now Free Code Camp is a free non-for-profit organization that has been started off by Quincy Larson, who has its own website, right? Free Code Camp has their own website and also YouTube channel where they have a huge community of web developers. They actually make tutorials on technologies. Maybe that could be web development as well, that could be Android development as well, and also Python and all of that stuff, Java and C++ and a lot more. Now the web developer playlist on that channel is actually really good. It has some tutorials, like 3-4 hours long tutorial talking about just HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and between that it also has a bunch of projects that you can implement that will look really amazing. just for a beginner, and just if you're going out for getting hired or something. I think that is actually really good that you can try out. Go through the tutorial and actually implement that using a project that they have actually discussed. I think this is actually the best way for you to learn anything. Learning something a little bit and then applying that to a project. And so I think that is what I use to learn as quickly as possible, and you should also try that out. Now coming over to the podcast, I think there's one podcast that I really enjoy, that is actually called as Syntax.fm, which is actually hosted by two web developers themselves, and they have some great stories about how they started off in web development, and they actually interview a lot of people in the web developer communities. Now I think this is actually a great way for you to understand what is happening into the industry, and learning about the trends out there and what people are doing these days, how they are getting hired and all of that stuff. Great stuff, I would say. You should definitely check that out. It has a lot of episodes that you can listen to. Do check it out and let me know if you enjoyed it or not. Now coming over to another podcast is actually going to be the Changelog podcast. I really enjoyed it myself. They recently interviewed Quincy Larson, and I think it's really interesting. You should definitely check that out. Again, the links to all of these things will be in the description. Do check it out. And so I think that is it from me today. Again, I completely understand that I did not do a lot this week because I was busy with some other stuff. But definitely, college just got over, so that means I will have a lot more time to devote into web development, and I also have some projects to do. So that is really interesting. I will definitely be sharing more with you in the coming up episodes on Saturday. That is going to be next week. So stay tuned for that. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already liked this video. And thanks for watching my video till the very end. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and keep coding.